Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix your login error on the TrustWallet app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Play Store app. In this method, we're going to check if your TrustWallet app is updated or not. Now, once the Play Store app completely opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the search bar, type in TrustWallet and hit the search button. After you hit the search button, the TrustWallet app will appear on your screen. If your app is not updated, an update button will also appear on your screen. As you can see on my screen, there is no update button present. That means that my app is completely up to date. So if your app is not updated, go ahead and click on that update button. After the updated app is completely downloaded and installed onto your device, you will have no problem logging in. If that method didn't work for you, don't worry, I have another method in store for you. So for this method, firstly open up the settings menu. After you open up the settings menu, scroll down and find the apps option and click on it. Once you click on the apps option, click on the manage apps option. After you click on the manage apps option, you'll see a search bar on your screen. Go ahead and click on it and search for the TrustWallet app. After you search for the TrustWallet app and click on it, on the bottom of your screen you'll see the clear data option. In this method, we're going to clear all the excess data which you don't need from the TrustWallet app. So firstly click on that clear data option, then click on clear cache and then click on OK. After you click on the OK button, all the excess data which you don't need from the TrustWallet app has been cleared. This should fix the login error from your app. If that method also didn't work for you, you can uninstall the app and install it again, or you can contact the customer service of the TrustWallet app. I hope this video helped you to fix your login error on the TrustWallet app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.